This week, we're talking about the pop-up prep. The pop-up prep came from a struggle that most beginner surfers experience. How can I improve my takeoff? In efforts to do this, we dissected the series of movements made when popping up on the board. After some surf talks and trials, we came up with the pop-up prep, a repetitive movement made throughout the Surfasana practice. We repeat this motion in efforts to create muscle memory so that our bodies follow the same flow in the water. For pop-up prep, we shift our hands down by the ribs, same as you were instructed to do when learning to pop up on your board. With your chest down and your feet up, you inhale in preparation to exhale and pump your feet as you press into your hands and lift your chest. In the water, this would lead to your takeoff. On the mat, start on your belly with your hands down by your ribs, elbows back. Inhale, chest down, feet up. Exhale, pump the feet, lift your chest. Do it again and then again to improve your takeoff. And that's the pop-up prep.